So I've been in this trade for over an hour, not over, almost an hour. In 5 more minutes, it'll be an hour. It still hasn't done what I wanted it to do. So I'm thinking about collapsing it. Since I got a trailing drawdown and it got all the way down here, I hate to collapse it up here because all that drawdown is going to be against me. But I need it to get, if it gets back down here, then I probably just take the profit here because it's taking way too long to do what I wanted to do. The sell side is right here at 73. I got a couple of my accounts set right here at this 73 at the sell side, and I got some other accounts that's in it down here at 60 that this price here, but it's taking too long. It's flirting with midnight. It just hit this gap. I'm watching this fair value, this immediate rebalance right here. It's really getting frustrating. I hate being in trades this long, especially when it start going in my direction and then it start chopping on me. That drives me crazy. Mental capital is so important. This is really bugging me. So mental capital is better than capital. I probably should just get out of it. We just created a fair value gap here. Watching this to see if it keeps price down. I was so tempted to add another contract up here to raise my cost basis just so I can get out, but I'm already technically over leveraged. I got a little, overzealous on and added a contract thinking, hey, it's going to run. It started to run, but it stopped and reversed. So I'm technically over leveraged and I need to just get out now. But like I say, the trailing drawdown has come down here. And I've already accepted the risk of the trade, so I just want to get back to the trailing drawdown so I don't have all this drawdown against me in my account. Because, down here at 2 contracts, that's like $400. And if it go back against me, just say if it go back again, it's going to be like 1,000 points against me at this point. So I'm just letting it play out. Watching this imbalance here, see if we invert this 1 minute imbalance and get some momentum down. It's been flirting with this midnight for a while now, but this is really proven to be a formidable foe. You see what the dollar's doing. The dollar's acting bullish, but it's sluggish. All right, we're still flirting with this fair value gap here. So we're in between fair value gaps on the 1 minute. We got a Bessie here and a Sibby here. High resistance. High resistance. It's like 2 more minutes. I'll be in this for an hour. Go push it back up to that hour. I think that's an hourly. Yes, an hourly fair value gap. Did we invert that? No, we still haven't inverted that. Nope, we still haven't inverted that. Yeah. If I would have checked that beforehand, I definitely would have got out right there because we still haven't inverted that. And so we're still flirting with that. So let's see how we play out. Looking at this 1 minute. Nice rejection off of this. Looking at this 1 minute to see if we invert this. If we invert this 1 minute, I should be good. Yes, we just inverted that 1 minute, so I should be good there. It should at least come down to these lows. It should at least come to those lows right there. All right, this is the one we just inverted. If we close above this on the 1 minute, then I'm gonna have to collapse it. Yes, if we close above 50, 78, 50, I'm gonna have to collapse it. We just inverted this Bissy right here. We got 11 seconds left on this candle. I'll officially be in an hour if we end after that. Okay, so we didn't close above it, so still good. Didn't close above it, so I'm still good. I don't like the price action, so I'm gonna lock profit, I think. Yes. Mental capital is more important. I'm locking it to better than break even. And if it stops me out, it stops me out.
Order canceled.
There it is, stopped me out. I was in it for too long. I was in it for an hour, one whole hour. Now watch it run off and do what I wanted it to do. But mental capital is more important than anything. So the lesson for this video is mental capital over making money. To the next one. Y'all be safe out in these trading streets. It's your boy Aranya Grande, aka Big Spider. You hear me? I'm gone, man.